Let's guide you on OSAP application. How to do that? Following ask the documents that required for OSAP. Make note of that one and then directly go on Google and search for Ontario.ca/OSAP. And then, as a new OSAP applicants, you have to register where you can see the agreement where you have to carefully read all those things and then click accept and go ahead. After you click on accept, uh, you will provided with a question. Did you use either of this application to apply for college of or university program at Ontario? If you have used Ontario.ca or Ontario University Application Center to apply for your program, then click yes, else go for no. Let's start if we directly applied to the university. So for now we will click on a no, and after clicking on a no, we have to click as a next. After clicking on a next, we have been presented with a profile section where we have to fill out the basic information. Type with the first name, last name, date of birth, and a gender. Then you have to present your social insurance number. Ontario access number is a student ID which is provided by ministry to the elementary students. If you have that, that's fine. If not, then it's optional. After that, you have to create a password and provide a confirmation password so that uh, you can remember. Make sure you are writing it down somewhere. After that, you have to provide two question in terms of if you forget your username or a password. Once you hit next, you will be provided with OSAP access number. Make sure you will note it down. With OSAP access number as a username and your password, you can able to log in inside the system. After logging inside, once you logging inside, you will see three options: full-time course, part-time course, or micro-credential. So today we will go in depth for the application of the micro-credential course. Micro-credential course are the course which are less than 20% for course load. So over there you can see first step where you have to provide school and program information. Second, about you. Tell us whether you are married or dependent. If you are married, you have to provide the information of your spouse as well. Or if you are dependent, you have to provide information of both of your parents or one of your parents, including social information and tax leaves. After that, you have to share information about your family where you have to provide their name and their details. Once you fill out those details, go ahead and review all this detail to ensure that it will not delay your process. Then after, you can go and submit your application. Review application and terms and condition before submitting the application. I just said this as a reference. You need further steps beyond this one, so make sure you are following all the steps as required on Ontario.ca/OSAP website. Thank you.